America doesn't run on hope. It runs on strength, precision, and a brand of hard work that's been damn near forgotten by the rest of the world. It doesn't happen in a lecture hall. You can't download it, and you can't work from home. Real power is forged in the dirt, under the hood, and behind the mask. Industry carries the weight. You build the roads, move the freight, shape the metal. But even the strongest engine fails without a connection. You felt the gap. Scrolling through job boards, searching for a tech who actually knows which end of the wrench is which. At WyoTech, we don't sit in an ivory tower and guess what you need in a technician. We listen. We get our intel from the front lines, from you, your standards, your equipment, your professionalism code. It's baked into every weld, every gear, and every diagnostic we run. This isn't just a trade school. It's a high-performance machine. You inform the training, we forge the technician. Hand in glove. So, here's the mission. Stop competing for the scraps on a job board. Take ownership of your pipeline. Partner with WyoTech. Get direct access to a pool of technicians trained to your specifications. No middleman, no fees, just a handshake and a shared mission. The world is moving fast. If you want to stay in the lead, you need the right people. WyoTech, industry-driven, shop-proven. Let's get to work.